Hi all, welcome back to a new episode of 360 Crick House. Once again, I welcome Siddharth Suresh and Gautam Satish into the show. Welcome.
Hey guys, I hope you're all staying safe and a big thank you for helping us to reach 100 subscribers.
Yeah, guys, we've reached 100 subscribers, and this wouldn't be possible without your support. So, thank you so much for your support, and we require that same support throughout the season.
Congratulations Siddharth, your prediction was right yesterday. Chennai Super Kings thrashed RCB in the evening game. And congratulations Gautam, your prediction in the night match was right. Delhi Capitals won the match in the Super Over. It's 12-8 right now. It's match 21 live from Narendra Modi Stadium, Ahmedabad. And tonight, it is Punjab Kings taking on KKR. And here we have the points table. Punjab Kings at the 5th position and KKR at the bottom of the table. Gautam, your player to watch out for in tonight's match?
Yeah, I've gone with Ravi Krishna as a player to watch out for in tonight's game. I thought he was exceptional in his first outing for Punjab against Mumbai. I think picking up crucial wickets and helping his team win. It was quite surprising that he didn't feature in the initial games, and I think this performance will definitely help him cement his place in the team. And it's quite sure that he's going to play more games for Punjab. And I think the more games he plays, I think he's going to get better, and he's going to be one of the important strike bowlers for Punjab. So it's good for them that he has struck form in the first game, and they'll hope that he continues this form.
Siddharth, your player to watch out for in tonight's match?
Yeah, I thought Shivam Mavi was impressive in his first stint for KKR this season. Again, I don't really get why he wasn't given the first preference. I've always felt that he was the better bowler out of the youngsters at KKR. And in the last game, he showed us. I think on that pitch, he generated so much movement. We saw so many balls, running so finely past the edges. It was difficult to face him. And he can be one of those bowlers who can bowl within the power play and generate, a tremendous amount of movements and pick wickets, almost similar to Deepak Chahar. So hopefully he can put in another performance today. Yes, it's a new pitch, new stadium, and it's a larger stadium. So not many boundaries will go that easily. So hopefully he can pick wickets today, and that's why he's the player to watch out for.
Gautam, your battle to watch out for in tonight's match?
Yeah, Mew.
Yeah, well, for me, the battle to watch out for in tonight's game will be between Chris Gale and Varun Chakravarti. I think it's going to be a very interesting battle. We saw how beautifully Chris Gale played the spinners and the slow bowlers in Chepauk. I think that was now the Chris Gale that we're usually accustomed to see. He's generally attacking, but the way he adapted to the wicket was very nice to see. I think that shows how good a player he is, even at 41. The kind of adaptability he showed was quite impressive. And Varun Chakravarti has been a wicket-taking bowler for KKR, and I think hence it makes a very interesting battle. Both key players for their respective teams.
Siddharth, your battle to watch out for in tonight's match?
I'm going with Nitish Rana and versus Mohammad Shami as my battle to watch out for. Again, Nitish Rana, we saw in the first two games, he really showed us what he could do. But then eventually the pressure got up to him, and then you could see the body language of the team itself. From the sort of aggression they had at the start in the usual games, they started playing more safe cricket, and that is when things started falling apart. You could see Gill was trying to be aggressive, it wasn't working out. Rana was trying to take his time, it wasn't working out, and he was losing his wicket quickly. So now they are at a stage where the openers have to perform, and today is the day when Rana really has to perform. They have to turn it around today, and he'll be up against Mohammad Shami, who, as we know, is a brilliant bowler in the power play and towards the death. So it's not going to be easy, and it's going to be a very interesting battle to see who gets the better out of who.
Gautam, your probable playing 11 for the Punjab Kings?
Yeah, I've made one change. I think Jai Richardson coming in place for Fabian Allen. I don't think they need that many spinners on wicket in Ahmedabad, which there are different kinds of wickets there. There are few which are slow on the slower side, whereas I've just gone with the one change. I think they just need to make the one change. That is Jai Richardson coming in place for Fabian Allen. I think the Ahmedabad pitch will not be as slow as Chepauk, that is for sure. There are a few pitches which are different there. We have seen that in the India versus England series as well. Some were high scoring and some weren't as high scoring. So I think whatever the pitch, I think they have to bring Jai Richardson just to strengthen their fast bowling department and also bowling at the deck. So that is the only change that I see.
Siddharth, your probable playing 11 for KKR.
Yeah, again, a couple of changes for me, and the changes that I've highlighted here are not necessarily going to happen. It is what I would like to see in the team. I would like to see Tim Seifert come in, open the batting with Nitish Rana, and he'll be replacing Gill. And Kuldeep Yadav comes in for Sunil Narayan. Again, we're not sure. I'm not really sure if this is going to happen, but KKR do need a change in fortune. Yes, it's a new venue, and hopefully they can adapt quickly. It's the first game at this venue for both the teams, so KKR should make sure they get the upper hand and start winning games from here on.
Thank you, Siddharth. Your prediction for tonight's match.
Yeah, well, I'm going to use Gautam's favorite word. It's an absolute no-brainer. I'm going for Punjab Kings. I'm joking. I'm going for Kolkata Knight Riders. Again, I'm just hoping that KKR can make a comeback. It's really that sort of a season so far. They just haven't been at it. Hopefully, they can start winning games and get into playoffs as quickly as possible.
Thank you, Siddharth. Gautam, your prediction?
I think based on form, I think I'm going with Punjab Kings. I think if you look at form, you back them to win, but KKR haven't played to their potential. So I think it's going to be an interesting contest with KKR desperately in need of a win. I think they'll come all out with all guns blazing. So it'll be interesting to see if Punjab can continue their winning streak or they'll have to accept a defeat tonight. Let's see.
Thank you so much, Gautam and Siddharth. Let's see which team wins today. And thank you so much all for our 100 subscribers.
Thank you, guys. And once again, please do stay safe and stay home. And that's the most important thing right now. And thank you for your continued support.
Yeah, guys, keep yourself safe, your family safe, and we'll keep entertaining you with your videos and keep supporting us. Thank you.